Hi, Sam Weinstein with Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. I've been in Cheyenne for almost going on 6 years now. This is just a wonderful place as a young person to be working. It's very hard to find a community as welcoming as Cheyenne, where you can be involved in so many things, from the Chamber of Commerce to the Kiwanis Club to I also sit on the LCCC Foundation Board. So it's really good to be connected to the community in multiple aspects. Otherwise, you know, there's wonderful shopping in downtown Cheyenne, from anything you're looking for, from Ernie Novembers to the Eclectic Elephant to Wyoming Home. The music scene in Cheyenne is also just ridiculously awesome. It's growing every single year with the events like Fridays on the Plaza, Rock the Block, Edge Fest, Fridays in the Asher. Even West Edge Collective is bringing in a hip-hop artist, and it's just really great that we have an eclectic group of music. And I'd be remiss to not bring up the fact that the Lincoln is being turned into a great music venue, and also the Civic Center. So whatever it is you're looking for, Cheyenne has it. And this is a great place to live, work, and honestly just hang out.